Welcome to the ASTRO. So in this tutorial, you are going to learn that how to add Julia in Jupyter Notebook as a Python. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so for doing that, first open your Julia. So click on that. Now the terminal has been opened. Now type the following commands to add. So type using package, so using capital P, K and G, small k and G, run it. Now what you can do, you can type pkg dot add and type iJulia, so a string I capital J then ULIA. This will be in the small letter. Now run it. So wait for some time. Okay, so it seems that in my system it has been already installed. Okay, in the my Jupyter notebook. So it is not running the some commands. Okay, so no changes, means it is a notebook. So click on that and wait to be open the notebook. Now here go to your new, and here you can see that there is a Python IPy kernel and your Julia 1.9.3. okay, so click on that and okay, so you can write some in your notebook once again. And you can open a new notebook, Julia. And then type the same format code using plots, and then x equal to range 0 to 10 and 100 length you can give equal to 100. Then y equal to, you can type cos dot x and then plot xy. Now run it. CPS, oh, there should be cos. There should be cos. Okay, run it. Okay, so here you can see that in your Jupyter notebook the Julia code is working properly. So this way you can install your packages in Jupyter notebook. So thank you.